Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Cynthia Ainun Nabila. I am from A class TBI 2021. Here I would like to share my poetry entitled Memories in Bloom with the analysis, also the interpreting from my poetry. So, check it out. Memories in Bloom. In the realms beyond, where the angels tread, Mother, how are you today? I often said. I wonder how she's faring ahead. Is she surrounded by gardens of grace instead? Beneath the starry sky, doctors sword fly. Mother, on earth all is well, reaching a loving light in garden where blossom dance with delight. Your memories simmer our guiding light. Though distance may keep us apart, our love remains forever and ever. Mother, in that tranquil land, know that together forever we stand. And here about the analysis from my poetry. My poetry is a kind of free poetry category in the romance genre. The romance genre can be seen from a doctor's love for her mother. This poem has 12 lines, which containing personification and metaphor as a figurative language. There is also a repetition of the word mother throughout the poem, reinforcing the main focus on the mother-daughter bond and emphasizing the daughter's deep love and respect for her mother. I write this poetry. It's about my real story in my life. I choose the title Memories in Bloom, such as the beautiful and timeless connection between memories and the process of growth and development. The word bloom also carries connotation of purity, vibrancy, also transformation. This title, like the flowers were blooming, can also seen as a metaphor for the process. The analysis for the first line, in the realms beyond where the angels tread. The term realms beyond indicates a place beyond our earthly existence. The word angels reinforces the idea of a sacred or divine space. Also, the verb tread implies movement and presence in the world. This shows the angels are not just static figures, but actively inhabit this space. And then the second line, Mother, how are you today? I often say. This line expresses the doctor's deep longing for her mother and her effort to connect with her mother, even though she is no longer physically present. And the word mother emphasizes the importance of the mother-child point in the poem. Also, the question, "How are you today?" usually asked to someone who's still alive, but in this poem, desired to know the mother's well-being despite being physically separated. Also, the word "I" often said indicates a routine or habit, indicating the doctor's constant struggle with her mother. The third line, "I wonder how she's faring ahead." Here the word wonder expressed the doctor's curiosity and uncertainty regarding her mother's well-being in the afterlife. Also, the metaphorical figurative language can we see in the word "faring ahead" that implies a journey that the mother has taken. Also, the phrase "ahead" creates a sense of um, physical and emotional. And then the next, "Is she surrounded by gardens of grace instead?" This is a metaphor for the afterlife. Adding the grace word emphasizes the idea of a blessed or benevolent place. In these lines also we can see the imagery that creating a vivid picture of a beautiful and peaceful afterlife. The next, "Beneath the starry sky, a doctor's word flight." In this line also have an imagery creating a spacious and peaceful atmosphere. The word "word" represents the doctor's emotion, truth, and message to her mother, and the word "flight" suggests that these words are carried upward, reaching the sky, where the princess believes her mother lives. In this word "flight" usually used an for an for something in our life, that here we can see the relation about human, but here uh, we use to describe like a note from the doctor to the mother. And then "Mother, on earth all is well," reaching a loving light. The word "mother" emphasizes the doctor's direct communication, and the phrase "on earth all is well" offers comfort and reassurance to the mother, indicating that life will go on even her absence. And then we can see the metaphorical figurative language from this line in the phrase "reaching a loving light." This can be interpreted as a doctor reaching out to her mother, offering her love and asking for support from her mother. That can be seen from loving light uh, as a guiding light. In garden where blossom dance with delight. The word garden creates a peaceful and vibrant atmosphere, often associated with life, growth, and beauty. We can see that in this line also have an imagery from the word garden, and then the word blossom represent the flourishing of life on earth, and the word dance is personification because the figurative language used to show a sense of joy and movement. Usually dance is used for human, but here dance used for the blossom, and then the word delight emphasize the positive and vibrant nature of life on earth. Your memories shimmer our guiding light. In this line, the metaphor lies in the word memorize, which represents the mother's presence and influence her daughter's lives. The word shimmer denotes the shining, and then the word guiding light. This metaphor compares memories that provide direction and support from the doctor. This sentence is a powerful testament to the lasting impact of love and memories. Though distant may keep us apart, this line serves a bridge between the previous line emphasizing the eternal nature of mother and daughter's love. It acknowledges the physical separation, but leaves room for hope that their emotional bond remaining strong. The next is our love remains forever and art. The use of metaphorical figurative language in this line to express that their love is eternal and has a beauty like an art, and this metaphorical figurative language can we see in the word love as like art that is eternal and beautiful. The metaphorical of art creates an image, something enduring, carefully created and admired. Mother in the tranquil land. The phrase tranquil land is an imagery of a peaceful and a serene place that create a mental picture for the reader and help the reader to understand the tone or and the setting about this line. Know that together forever we stand. The word together forever we stand creates the image of a mother and daughter standing side by side despite being physically apart. The word standing symbolizes the strength, unity, and lasting relationship. From this line also over a message of comfort and hope. The doctor and the mother that they always hope they are will be forever. Then we move to the interpretation slide. Sekarang kita menuju ke bagian interpretasi. Puisi ini termasuk ke dalam puisi bebas yang bergenre romance. Genre romantis di sini dapat dilihat dari rasa cinta seorang anak perempuan terhadap ibunya. Puisi ini mengandung 12 baris yang di dalamnya terdapat penggunaan majas personifikasi dan metafora. Terdapat juga pengulangan pada kata ibu yang memberikan penekanan dan memperkuat fokus utama puisi ini yang menggambarkan ikatan cinta dan rasa hormat yang mendalam dari seorang anak perempuan kepada ibunya. Pemilihan judul Memories in Bloom menunjukkan hubungan yang indah dan abadi di antara kenangan dan proses pertumbuhan dan perkembangan. Artinya adalah kenangan seperti bunga yang dapat mekar dan melahirkan kehidupan baru, bahkan ketika menghadapi kehilangan atau kesulitan. Kata bloom atau mekar di sini membawa konotasi keindahan semangat dan transformasi. Hal ini menunjukkan bahwa kenangan, jika dipupuk dan dihargai, dapat memberikan dampak transformasi pada kehidupan kita. Penggambaran judul tentang bunga yang bermekaran juga dapat dilihat dari penggunaan majas metafora. Pada bait yang pertama, in the realms beyond where the angels tread, Mother, how are you today? I often say, I wonder how she's faring ahead. Is she surrounded by gardens of grace instead? Pada baris pertama menyebutkan dunia lain atau tempat para malaikat berada yang dapat diartikan sebagai surgawi. Pada baris kedua pada kalimat ibu, bagaimana kabarmu hari ini? Seringkali aku berkata, menggambarkan bahwa seorang anak perempuan selalu merenungi bagaimana kabar ibunya di alam sana. Pada baris ketiga mengumpamakan bahwa seorang anak perempuan sedang memikirkan bagaimana keadaan ibunya di alam sana atau di akhirat. Dan baris yang terakhir, anak perempuan itu membayangkan ibunya berada di tempat yang indah dan damai, seperti taman-taman yang penuh kebahagiaan atau keberkahan. Pada bait kedua, beneath the starry sky, a darker sword fly. Mother, on earth all is well, reaching a living light. In garden where blossom dance with delight, your memories shimmer our guiding light. Puisi ini dibuka dengan baris pertama yang memberikan perumpamaan tentang seorang anak perempuan yang sedang merenung di bawah langit yang penuh bintang, mengisyaratkan bahwa dia mengirimkan sepatah dua patah kata untuk ibunya yang berada di sana. Pada baris kedua, memberikan penekanan pada perasaan yakin seorang anak bahwa ibunya akan baik-baik saja dan dilindungi oleh cahaya yang penuh kasih sayang, meskipun mereka terpisah antara jarak dan fisik. Pada baris ketiga menggambarkan keindahan alam di sekitar mereka, yang mana dapat dijadikan acuan sebagai suatu perumpamaan tentang kebahagiaan dan kehidupan yang terjadi di sekitar ibu dan anak perempuan ini berada. Kemudian, pada baris yang terakhir menunjukkan kehadiran dan kekuatan ibu melalui kenangan-kenangan yang memancar dalam pikiran seorang anak perempuan, yang kenangan ini dianggap sebagai suatu arahan yang memberikan panduan pada ketenangan dalam kehidupan seorang anak ini. Pada bait yang terakhir, till distance may keep us apart, our love remains forever and earth. Mother, in that tranquil land, know that together forever we stand. Pada baris yang pertama menyampaikan gagasan bahwa meskipun seorang anak perempuan dan ibunya terpisah secara harfiah maupun figuratif, seperti dalam hubungan jarak jauh yang dibatasi oleh kematian, tetapi kekuatan cinta seorang anak dan ibunya ini akan selalu ada. Dan rasa cinta seorang anak perempuan dengan ibunya ini digambarkan seperti suatu seni yang mana selalu memiliki keindahan yang tidak akan pernah hilang. Pada baris ketiga memberikan gambaran tentang suatu tempat yang indah di mana ibu berada di sana. Tempat yang diartikan sebagai ketenangan dan kedamaian, atau secara metafora dikatakan sebagai surga. Dan pada baris yang terakhir menunjukkan bahwa meskipun dalam situasi apapun, baik hidup atau mati, seorang anak dan ibu akan selalu bersama. Mereka saling memiliki cinta yang selalu menguatkan dan mereka akan bersama-sama selamanya. Okay, that's all about my poetry entitled Memories in Bloom that I write the search from my story life. And that's all about the analysis and the interpretation about this poetry. Thank you for watching. I'm sorry if there is any mistake. Please forgive me. That's all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.